Now that I have these summary schedules on the sheet, I can see the area in square meters and square feet for per level, and also for each department on each level. However, seeing the numbers doesn't give me the whole story, and what I'd like to be able to do is show the percentage of each department on each level, and then also show the department percentages as a whole for the whole building. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to my room schedule by level and department. I'm going to go on to fields. I'm going to create a new calculated value or calculated parameter. However, this time I'm going to use the percentage tool rather than the formula. So it's a percentage of the area in square meters by, I can do the grand total, which will give me the entire number of rooms in the building, which would be 91. I can do it by level, or I can do it by department. Because I want to do the percentage of the department per level, and it's already sorted by department, I will click level, because then at the bottom of each of the levels will give me a 100%. So all the values of percentages will add up to 100% for each of the levels. So I'm going to call this area percentage level. Click OK. And if I just click OK now, you can see that I have a percentage here. I need to change the formatting, so I can change the heading to just percentage, and then I can calculate totals to give me a total at the bottom here, and then I can also change the formatting. I can round it to, say, 1 decimal place, and I'll change the alignment to center. Okay, and I'll just make this slightly smaller, so I'll make it 15. So here you can see that 37.9 is 2.4% of 1564.6. So this is quite useful as it shows me the percentage of each department on each level, and this might be useful for my client to see. So I can go back to the room schedule and you can see it's added it on in here. What I also want to do is do a comparison of percentages for the total building based on department. So what I can do is I can right click, duplicate the room schedule by level and department. I need to rename it, so I can either right click on the schedule, click rename, or I can go into the title of the schedule here and I can type by department, click enter, and it's changed it in the name in the project browser. I'm just going to use this and change it, so I'm just going to click on sorting and grouping. Instead of the level, I want the department to be the highest hierarchy or level of sorting, and then I can just remove none. So I can click OK, and I obviously need to change my blank line and remove the header, and also remove the footer. So here I have the departments and the total areas for each department. I'm going to go into my fields and I'm just going to delete this area percentage calculated value because I duplicated it from the previous schedule. Yes. So now I want to create another calculated value for the area percentage per department. Actually, this will be the grand total because I'm getting the area of the grand total because this schedule contains all of the rooms. Click OK. Go to formatting. Change the heading to percentage. I could type percentage of total if I wished. Change the alignment to center. Field format 1 decimal place. And I can calculate totals at the bottom. Click OK. I'll just resize this column to 15 millimeters. And here you can see how, say, the circulation takes up 35% of the entire building. I can then go back to my summary sheet and I can click and drag and place this room schedule on my sheet as well. So that's how you can then use the percentage function within calculated values to give you percentages based on different fields in your schedule.